Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix RDR Red Dead Redemption force closed due to an internal error. So if you're getting this error in RDR Red Dead Redemption mobile app on Android phone, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your Android phone, and after your device restart, launch the RDR game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then second solution is to enable disable airplane mode. So just tap on aeroplane mode to enable it, then again tap on it to disable it, and then you can go ahead, launch the RDR game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to check your internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to force stop RDR mobile app. So tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and then again click on force stop to confirm, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your error is fixed or not. If not, then you have to clear cache and clear data of the RDR app. So again tap and hold the RDR app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. And the next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Norton VPN, Turbo VPN, Super VPN, Proton VPN, NordVPN, Ninja VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, launch the VPN app, connect to a different location than your current location, and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix RDR force to closed due to an internal error on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.